This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by verifying the file type and size. Unsupported often means Drive can't preview that format. Make a copy and download the original so you have a safety net. Next, change the file extension if it's mislabeled, rename. docx to doc or vice versa, then try uploading the renamed file. Once done, select the uploaded file and choose Open with Google Docs or the appropriate app. This triggers Drive to attempt a conversion, which is the only reliable path here. You now force Drive's server-side converter to work for you. Open the file using Open with Google Docs or Sheet/Slides. Drive will run its conversion engine and create an editable copy. If that fails, export the source from your local machine to a neutral format like PDF or plain text, then upload and open that version. Also check Drive's Open with menu for third-party converters. Authorize a trusted app if necessary, because some formats require specialized conversion to preserve structure and fonts. You finish by carefully reviewing the converted file for missing elements and fixing them directly in Google Docs or Sheets. If Drive still won't accept the file, convert it locally with LibreOffice or another desktop tool to a compatible format, then re-upload. Make sure to clear your browser cache or try incognito mode if errors persist. Sometimes account or browser state blocks conversions. If nothing works, upload from a different account or device. That often reveals whether it's an account policy or local issue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.